Create a model class having three properties: ID, AutoInt primary key, first name, last name, date of birth, the last one being of the datetime data type. So we have to configure the project for SQLite database connectivity, and then there are certain more things that you can read. Basically, this is what we want. There should be a link for adding 10 random records, and the same data should be displayed. Let us see how to do it. For that, let us have a look at the solution explorer that we have created. In this case, the context etc. have been done as usual. The model, in this case, you can have a look at that model. The model is called my model, and here this is the primary key ID, this is the first name, error message is star required in case we use some validators, and display name is first name. So instead of showing first name, it will show as first space name wherever we want to display this property. Similarly, last name, and similarly there is for date of birth. Date of birth will show as date of birth, and then this might be new for you, the data format string. So this will format the date in DD 01 Jan 2000 whatever. In this format it will display the date wherever the date is displayed. So this is about the model. You can have a look at that, download the whole thing later on, and let us now run it so that we have a look at. So when it opens for the first time, you will see that link and click on it. 10 random records are added and the table is populated. You can add 10 more and you can see that now there are 20 records.